Hello chess lovers, welcome to complete Chess Endgame Masterclass. In the previous video I discussed and analyzed some of the great positions when both sides has one pawn on the same file. This is the second part. Let's start this lesson with an absolutely classic example. This example shows you the soldering away technique of the king. So this is the first puzzle. In this puzzle, if white tries to capture the black pawn, then he will lose, because white gets to the c7 square in 5 moves. But at the same time, black would move to a6 square. That's why in this position white must try to defend the key square of the black b pawn, and that is a5, b5 and c5 square. So let's see how to do the soldering away technique. So if you are with white pieces, what would you play in this position if you had white pieces? Just pause the video and find the best move for white. In this position, the best move for white will be to play king to g3. And with this move, white takes a curve to get into b4 square. Now in this position, instead of playing king to g3, if king to g4 is played, then it is not good for white, because after king to g4, we have possibly this continuation. King to c2, king to f3, king to d3, now king to f2, king to c4, king to e3, king to c5, king to d3, king takes on b6, king to c4, and now king to a5, and you can see that black is better. That's why king to g3 is the best move. And now we have, after king to g3, king to c2, now king to f2, king to d2, king to f1, king to d1, king to f2, king to d2, now king to f1 again, now king to d3, king to e1, king to c4, king to d2, king to b5, now king to c3, king to c5, king to b3, now king takes on b6, and now simply king to b4, and this is a draw. Now let's move on to the next puzzle. In this puzzle it is not possible for white to win the game, but white can draw. But how? Now it's your turn. Just pause the video and find the best continuation for white. What did you play in this position if you had white pieces? The best move for white in this position will be to play c4, not king to d2, because if in this position king to d2 is played, then we have c4, king to d1, c3, and you can see that in this position black wins the game. That's why c4 is the best move. And now we have king to c3, king to c1, king to d4, king to d2, king takes on c4, and now king to c2, and white gets the key square, and it is a draw. Now move on to the next example. This is one of the positions many players face during their endgame. Here white king is very active, but he is still not able to win. The possible continuation is e3, king to d8, e4, king to e8, e5, king to d8, king to f7, king to d7, king to f8, king to e6, and king to e8, and it is a draw. Instead of playing e3, if e4 is played, then after king to d8, king to f7 and e5, again it is a draw. And one more combination I want to show, that is after e4, if king to d8, then king to f7, now king to d7, then black will lose the game, because we have e5 and after king to d8, e6, and white is winning. But 99% of the cases this position is purely draw. So this is all for this video. See you in my next video. Good luck.